Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the less than or equal and greater than or equal command in the Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will take the any input. For example, x2 I will choose. This can be a sensor of my increment at the C0 or any you can take. This is for example C10 I will choose, no problem. Sorry, this is not C10 and key for example 8 value if we will give, and after this is here C10 of the open contact we will choose, and RST C10 for the auto resetting of the value which we will put at the counter. And here first we will choose the less than or equal. Less than or equal, when you command like to choose LD less than or equal with for example K5 C0 and click enter, and you have to be take any output, for example Y2 will be choose, and next you have to be choose greater than sorry LD greater than or equal with K6 for example, any value you can choose to the C0 and click enter, and output you can choose any Y4 or Y5 or Y3 which you want to use or which you have configured in your hardware, that you can be used in the program. And compile the program, and after go to the simulation. It's very simple and easy method. Why this compare instructions used in the PLC, that already in previous lecture I explained. Because of somewhere if you using the products for filling procedures or counting procedures, if your conveyor is running and upside have some packets running, when your sensor detects the counts, after how much count operator puts, after that will be like to be stop the motor or like to open the solenoid valve. That's depend on the logic yani. And this is the very useful commands in the PLC. And now you can, as you can see, this is the K5 C0 is now less than 5, so our Y2 is on. For example, I give some signal at the X2. For example, go to the debug and modify value, and as I gives the some value, now one value as it's equal with 5 C0, sorry, this counter we will make the wrong. Go to the editor mode and write mode, and this counter we choose the wrong C10 we have to be choose, because of here we will configure the C10 and here we will configure the C0, and here also you have to choose the C10 and click OK. Now our program is correct, and compile again and go to the simulation mode. Again I will click, close this, and now we will make the counting at our counter. And as per you can see, this is the now value is less than 5. When it's equal with 5, after our Y2 will be close, equal or less than. I will give the signal 1 2 3 4, and now you can see is the 5 is the equal with 5, still it's running, and as one signal just will be increased, after your Y2 will be off. You can see is the less than 5 or equal with 5, after your Y2 will be closed. And here what's you decide, greater than or equal with 6 after your voice 4 will be on. Now it's equal with 6, and if greater than 6, nothing issue, it will be continue on. And when it's a 0, after this will be stop, and your less than or equal command will be on. And if you know like to this immediately on and off, this you can make it the cancel this line, and your program will be at this behalf of the running the commands. As you give the signal again, you can see 2, 3, 4. Now still it's running because of the equal with 5, and we decide less than or equal with 5, this C10 our after Y2 needs to be on, and that's one signal more comes after this will be close, and this is the greater than or equal command will be on. And as it's completed his counts this 8 values of the C10, after your counter will be reset. So this way you can use this equal commands, not equal commands, less than or equal, greater than or equal. It's very simple and very easy. You can practice at home, after you can implement in your program, and you can make your logic. And if in this instructions using you have any trouble, you can send me the message in comment section. I will help you as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.